This is All India Radio. The news read by Anita Anand. Union Cabinet meeting was held under the chairmanship of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the national capital this morning. Several important decisions were taken in this meeting. In a significant decision, the Cabinet has cleared the Citizenship Amendment Bill. Briefing media in New Delhi after the Cabinet meeting, Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting, Prakash Javadekar, said the bill takes care of India's interests and it will be introduced in Parliament as soon as possible. The Cabinet also approved a proposal to extend reservation for SCs and STs in the Lok Sabha and the state assemblies for another 10 years. The reservation for these categories in the Lok Sabha and state assemblies was to expire on 25th of January 2020. It also gave its nod to Personal Data Protection Bill 2019, which will be introduced in the current session of Parliament. The Cabinet also approved the withdrawal of Jammu and Kashmir Reservation Second Amendment Bill 2019. The Union Cabinet approved the launch of Bharat Bond Exchange Traded Fund to provide additional money for CPSUs, CPSCs and other government organizations. The Bharat Bond Exchange Traded Fund ETF would be the first corporate bond ETF in the country. Briefing media, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said government is trying to deepen the bond market in India. Government also approved the Central Sanskrit Universities Bill to be introduced in the Parliament. The bill has provision for conversion of the 3 Sanskrit deemed to be universities into central universities. The Cabinet also approved land monetization at Pragati Maidan to build a 5-star hotel. ITPO will undertake the mega project to redevelop Pragati Maidan into a world-class international exhibition and convention center. It also approved the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Amendment Bill 2019. The bill seeks to amend the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizen Act 2007. Union Minister for Communications Ravi Shankar Prasad has said that the process is on for the merger of BSNL and MTNL. While replying to a question in the Lok Sabha today, he said that efforts have been made to protect the interests of the employees and make it a profitable venture. He also assured that BSNL will get the 4G services at the earliest. The work is on progress in this regard, he said. The minister also said the 5G is still in evolving stage and state operators will get 5G too when it is operationalized. The Supreme Court today granted bail to Congress leader P. Chidambaram in the INX Media money laundering case lodged by Enforcement Directorate. The top court said Chidambaram could not leave the country without prior permission of the court and neither try to influence the witnesses nor tamper with evidence. The apex court set aside the Delhi High Court's November 15th verdict denying bail to the former Union Finance Minister. He has been in the custody for 105 days since 21st of August when he was arrested by the Central Bureau of Investigation in the INX Media corruption case. A 3-judge bench headed by Justice R. Bhanumati granted the relief to the Congress leader on a personal bond of 2 lakh rupees with 2 sureties of the like amount. The bench, also comprising Justices A.S. Bopanna and Rishikesh Roy, restrained Chidambaram from giving any press interview or making any statements with regard to the case. Schools across India can now apply for the prestigious Fit India School 3-star and 5-star ratings based on various fitness parameters. Human Resource Development Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank and Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju launched the Fit India School rating system today. Speaking on the sidelines of the event in New Delhi, the HRD Minister said that health is the capital of nation building. He said they will convert the Prime Minister's Fit India movement vision into a mission. Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju said this rating system has been launched to realize the dream of Fit India movement. He said a big campaign has been launched by CBSE in this regard. The Sports Minister expressed confidence that in the coming days the Fit India movement will be run in all types of private and government institutions. A proud nation salutes its naval personnel on the occasion of Navy Day. The day is celebrated in honor of the Maritime Force's role during the war with Pakistan in 1971, with Indian warships attacked Karachi port and successfully thwarted Pakistani operations in the western coast. Chief of Naval Staff and Vice Chiefs of Indian Army and Air Force paid homage at the National War Memorial in the capital this morning to mark the Navy Day. And that is the end of